Good morning, students. This is the video. Actually, it is a tutorial for learning about HR tag and comments. This is a tutorial, so let's start. I have already typed, I have told you because of the length of the video, I have already typed. So let's start. Horizontal rules. Good morning, dear students. This is another sample web page which will be demonstrating the use of horizontal lines. Here in the video, we have given the HR size. There was HR size 12, 36 and 72, but here I have changed 5, 10 and 15, and you will see the result and other things as well. If you want no shade, then you have to use the attribute no shade for 2D and the following rules. And lastly, we will know about to specify the width of horizontal lines. Let us look at the below displayed rules. You can see the width 100 is given over here. SR width 100, 200 is given over here. The following two rules will always extend, and these following two rules, SR width 30%, SR width 75%. This is actually, this will always extend across 30% and 75% of the browser width, regardless of their own width. Means to say 30% of the screen and 70% of the screen. If the screen is smaller, even then 30%. If the screen is 75%, screen is bigger or smaller, no matter it is, but 75% and 30% will be there. The horizontal line you will see there. If you want to change it, if you want to change, suppose if you want to keep here 50%, or if you want to keep here 100%, that will be displayed in the web browser when we will access it in a web browser. So let us see the result of it. What is the result? So I have already saved it. I will show you here, and this is, you can see. Now you will see in the video which I have explained, there were 12, 36 and 72, but here I have changed 5, 10 and 15. So that is why the thickness of the horizontal line is smaller. And you will see over here, all the above rules are in the default preview. So to convert into 2D, we will be using the no shade attribute as follows. It is no shade attribute. Okay. And lastly, we will know about how to specify the width of the horizontal rules. To let us take a look at the blue displayed rule. You can see the following two rules have absolute value of 100 and 200 pixels. We have given the width, but just note down and just mind it. If you are using 100 pixels and 200 pixels, then it will show only like this and like this, whether the size of your screen is smaller or bigger. But if you are giving in this way, the following two rules will always extend across 30%. If you are giving the value of width 30% and 75%, then it will show in upon your screen. If the screen is bigger than 30% of the screen, if the screen is smaller, even then 30% of the screen. If the screen is smaller, 75%, if you have given, then 75% it will give you. And if the screen is bigger, then definitely it will give you 75%. So it is better to give percentage than to give pixels, because it adjusts itself according to the size of the screen. So this is the most important thing. So the next thing is there, which we are going to know about comments, how we will use comment. Now you will see over here the comment. Now you can see comment. Good morning, dear student. This is another sample web page will be demonstrated the use of comment we have given, and this tag, and this is the tag, sign of exclamation, and two dash are given, and at the last of the line, 2 dash are given. Now the browser will consider it is a comment and it will not show in the web browser. Anything which you want to write down as comment and you don't want to show in the web browser, then you have to use this element. The whole element you have to use. You have to start with sign of exclamation and 2 dash, and you have to close it, or you can say you have to end or finish the element by using 2 dash. Then it will consider, the browser will consider it as a comment and will not render it into the web browser. So let's see the result. This is the result you can see. Now I want to show you the code. Here we can see which the text which I have highlighted, it is not given over here because it is considered by the browser as a comment. So whenever you want to write down, to type anything for your remembrance, for your memory, you want to show something, you want to write anything on the HTML document and you don't want to show it in the web browser, then you have to use comment like this. Thank you and have a nice day.